Hello, this is Richard with Rako Controls, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to the Rako bridge. It's not essential that you have a bridge in the system, and you can program a wireless system just using an RCM wireless keypad, but if you're going to use the app or you're doing a hardwired system, you definitely need a bridge in the system. So this is what we're going to look at today, and here we go. So if we flip back to the project file that I wrote in the last video, my test project, we can see that we've got a bridge in the bottom right hand corner under communication devices. This is the actual physical bridge that's plugged into the same Ethernet network, the same network that my laptop is connected to. So we want to go into this web page and change the house address here. So if we right click on the bridge, we can open this up. Okay, this opens up the web page, as I've said, and we just want to click configuration and enter the username and password. So the username is admin, password is microchip. Just click login. And we want to search for the house address, and we just need to change this from the default house address, which is 1, to our project file address, which is 33. Scroll to the bottom and click save configuration. You'll get this page saying reboot in progress, so you can shut down the browser at this point and go back to the project file. Double click on the bridge will turn green to say we are connected, and now we still need to link the bridge in our project file with the physical bridge that we're connected to. So go ahead, click on the bridge and click update now. So this lists up all the bridges that are connected to the network. Obviously we've only got one bridge in this case, so if we select the IP address of the bridge that we're connected to and then just click finish, and then the next tab is going to ask us to determine what type of bridge it is, so we just simply click update now. And that's it, that's your bridge connected. That's how you connect to the Rako bridge. There's actually quite a few steps to that, but if you go back through it, it's pretty simple. You're just opening up the web browser, setting the house address, and then linking the bridge in the project file to the physical bridge that you're connected to, and you should be away. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.